It's a day out for our babies at seaside. The weather is good today. Perfect timing to see the sunset. I know she's happy to be here. So excited to go down and play. Spotted a family, so lovely. So beautiful. It's Mama Sussy's first beach day with her pups. Be careful, you might fall. No worries, we're safe here. We assured our safety. Look, the puppies want to get out. Oh no, they're going out. This is Mocha, the eldest and the cutest. And this is Molly, the youngest but the biggest. Mocha is hungry. Mama Sussy needs to feed her. It's time to go home. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.